Today's date is 11/3/2003. This is the fifth day on the row. Time now in India 12:09. The same is 12:09. But the keyboard backlighting is not working. See, pressure pad is working fine, but the keyboard backlighting is not working. I don't know what kind of service ASUS people have done on COMPUAGE INFOCOM, NUNGAMBAKKAM, Chennai. Let me restart the system. Let us check whether it is working or not. See, clearly keyboard is not working. Keyboard backlit is not working. So I am going to restart the system. System is restarting. Still keyboard backlit is not working. Let us wait. Right now keyboard backlit is working, right? You could see. Keyboard backlit works on and often only, not all the time. If it goes away like this, the hardware surely will be gone. Last time the keyboard problem started and ended with the motherboard issue. This time also the same. And see, left side LED is flickering right now. Right side LED is also flickering. Let's see to it what will happen. Let me shut down the system.